Hello everyone, welcome to How to Excel YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can copy any image from Google Sheet and save in your MacBook or laptop. Here you can see on the screen I have opened my Google Sheet and there is one image I have here. I need to copy this image and save in my laptop. What I'm going to do is I will go to File, then Download. Here you can see multiple options are there. The format, actually I will choose the format web page, which will be .html file. I will click here and one HTML file will save in my MacBook. So you can see here this sheet, the name of the sheet is how to copy image from sheet. One zip file by the name how to copy image from sheet has been saved in my MacBook. So I will click here, we'll go to this folder, we'll unzip it. So now this under this folder, so this was the zip file which I unzip. So this is the folder. I will click here. Here you can see one is the resource which we don't need to do anything with. The second thing is sheet1 HTML. We'll click here. Now the sheet we save, this is the sheet with the image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image. I'm going to put this, let's say mountain. We'll save. Now we need to check what exactly is there. Here you can see JPEG file is the format of this image, and then we'll click here. So here you can see the image I copy from Google Sheet. That's it. So it's super easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe How to Excel YouTube channel. Thank you for time.